Welcome back, LOL Squad. It is me, RJ, and today we are playing Roblox Jailbreak. So this is the first time I'm using my voice, so good night or good morning or good afternoon, depends on whatever time you're watching this. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, so let's get into it. So, whoa, I thought the police station glitch was still here. I thought it was open. Can we, okay, those people are rude. They don't want to let us in, but it's okay. We will use the good old sewers. Comment in the comments, comment on your favorite escape in Jailbreak. Because my favorite would have to be either the wall or the sewers, because those to me are the fastest escapes. It's the wall, the sewers. If you have a key card, the vents, or if you have a key card, you could just go straight through any door. And the other one is punching the box. Punching the box, I think, was the first ever escape, and then they updated it, I think. Because, yeah. So I'm riding in this pink swirl car because I like donuts, and this reminds me of a donut. So that's why. And we're not using spoilers in this episode because I realized that I don't really need spoilers in my jailbreak career right now. It's not a really serious thing, so I was just like, what? I don't really need spoilers. Okay, so we're at, we had, so before I started the channel, I had about 600K, and then I bought the Bugatti because I was like, all my cars are basically, oh no, please don't die. So I'm just gonna chill, try it again, okay. So we have a good money for buying the Bugatti. Video in this episode of Jailbreak, we're going to be grinding. We're going to be trying to get more and more money. Let us grind. Okay. So, the first things first, we need to get our Bugatti because that's how we're going to get to the robbery places faster. So let's go on over there. Okay, guys. So in the comments down below, comment down below if you think I should do a collab with somebody. Don't comment down who it is because I know who I want to do a collab with. And I'll make it happen. So basically, oh, there's a cop in a Bugatti, so I gotta watch out for. You know what? Let's wreck him. I just said, you know what? Let's just wreck him. Where's he though? He's right there. Dude, get in. Get in. You know what? Bye. Oh no. Oh no, guys. We don't want to get arrested. Dang it. What's his name? He's very good. He's really good, guys. He is really good. And I was about to ditch that guy. I wasn't even going to fight. But then he had to come. The guy who's leaving the scene. But it is totally okay. Because we're probably going to get arrested by him anyways. So it's good for it to happen now. Let me just stretch my hands. That's why we're sort of kind of AFK. Like, we're still, okay. Let's go. Let's see if we can escape at. Oh, okay, move out my way. Ooh, free key card? Yes or no? Ooh, we almost got it. Then that guy had to move. Stop moving. Stop moving, and I will leave you alone. I'm totally not gonna leave him alone, but okay, I gotta. Oh, I thought I had a key. That's what's annoying. You think you have a key, but you actually get something else. For example, a donut, which does not help me. Okay. Okay, come on, stop. Yeah, stay still. I'm about to jump over your head. Ooh, thank you guys. And let me just eat my donut. Okay. That's the quickest escape I ever did. That's another way to escape. You jump over people's heads. So we escaped. And this time, I'm going straight for the Bugatti, and then we're going to go to the city crime base. Because, like I said, the Bugatti is the fastest car in the game if you have level 5 and stuff. I even tested it one day, so it's the fastest car in the game, but we don't know that yet because Asimo and Bad CC could add anything they want, honestly, to the game, so there might be a car with that's more speedy than it, I would say, but we don't know yet. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay, so, ooh, is that his Bugatti? I think it is. He can't customize it because he did it when he used it. Ooh, it's not locked. We just turn off the sirens, and we got ourselves a Bugatti. Is the volume even up? Okay, I think I put this up. Oh, slow. So sorry, guys. Okay, so it is raining. Let's just turn it off, honestly, because you guys can hear me better, and that's what is important. You guys can hear, because you guys are here watching this vid to be entertained and to have some. Oh wait, did he just hack over here, or he just came? Oh, he just came. Do these people? Oh my goodness, I thought they owned a Bugatti. Is there a cop here? All these people are acting so crazy. They scared me. I thought one of them hacked. Get over here. Okay, I'm ready for you, Bugatti. Okay, now I'm ready. Somebody's. Okay, these people do not know what they're aiming at, but I don't know that. They're probably playing around. But so far, we didn't even get any more money, which I'm really upset. And the video has literally 8 minutes left. So I'm really upset that we didn't get any money so far. But how about, oh, this is so convenient. We're talking about money. Jewel just opened. But what else is convenient? Oh, I see a cop dot. He's at the police station. So we could do this. Okay, I don't want them in. I don't like people in my jewelry store robberies. Sorry, guys. But this is my job. Unless I'm playing with somebody I know. Other than that, sorry guys, I like to do my robberies by myself. Except for museum. Because you only, you need 2 people or more to help you, so. Okay, so we have our post notification shout out coming up in a little bit. Let's just get our full money, then we're gonna park up real quick. Actually, we're gonna go to the top, and once we are driving to the museum or whatever, we could give out that shout out. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Don't oof. I'm just thinking to myself, like, don't oof. You don't wanna oof? So don't. Okay. How am I at yellow? I don't understand how I just touched the camera, but I probably actually did because I'm horrible at this parkour stuff. Okay. How about we just park up right here and give a post notification shout out? So I'll be right back. I'm gonna look in my comment section really quickly. Oh my goodness. What's the latest video I posted? Okay, where? Oh my goodness. It's a video. Maybe it's because I'm not even in my channel. That makes so much sense. Okay. This one goes to ASUMIT6. She is my new friend on Roblox. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. I think it's a Summit 6, if I'm correct. Thank you so much for subscribing and friending me. And guys, make sure you guys follow me, because you guys might be able to join me in some games if you follow me. So, yeah. Is this lag or something? Oh, yeah, that was lag. I feel like the cop's outside. I see a cop dot outside. I'm really scared, because it could be that cop. You never know. He's not even on, but he probably bought something, but I don't see him. But we should be afraid of any cop. So this is what I always do when there's lots or there's cops, period. I do this so I could be like, okay, oh no, dang, woo, that guy. I almost got arrested, guys. So we are gonna take him out. Oh my goodness, I'm really surprised. I literally didn't know. Okay. And I was just now really okay. Do I have to shoot in first person for this one? I feel like he's gonna distract them and shoot. Like he's gonna go on the roof. I feel like he's gonna go on that roof and try to float down to me. But little does he know, I'm gone. That's literally what he doesn't know. Okay, guys. So we can't even finish a robbery unless this goes by really fast or whatever. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. And then I want to make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys drop a like and click that bell. That way, if you like my videos and if you think they're entertaining, that way you guys will never miss a video and you guys will be the first person to watch the videos when it comes out to the end. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Is the cameras even done? Or nobody's on it? I don't know. But I'm gonna just take the money. I'm just gonna take the money. I'm not gonna get hurt. Ooh, okay. Take some money. We have to be quick with this. Hopefully the puzzles are done already. If they are done, that would be really helpful. Okay. Whoa, they're done already. Guys, we just did a museum robbery like that. I can't believe it, but we have a minute until the video is ending. So that means we have a minute until... We have a minute and a few seconds, so I think that's a good amount of time to get to the volcano. The only thing that I wish is that we could go to any base, because that would make it a lot more better, because camping cops go to the volcano and arrest you, and if there was 2 places, then they would be like this, I don't know which one they're going to go to. So then they'll just go to one, and you're at a complete different one. So that's what I wish, but you never know. Jailbreak always updates. Like every time I play Jailbreak and I read the description, I see it as an update. So I got my jewel money. Now let's get this money. Okay, guys, so we officially finished grinding, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click that bell. I just want to say thank you guys, and how about we end it from now and say, let's go closer, and say, until next time, this is RJ Gam Fam, logging off. Oh, and the LOL squad, the Gam Fam, the Gam LOL squad fam, we are on a mission to get 100 subscribers. Let's try to do that. Well, see you next video. Until next time.